So I make a lot of maps. I don't publish a lot of maps. A lot of my conversation with people about maps is actually about, is this thing that you have, is this data set that you have best presented as a map? Should it be a map? Should it not be a map? And this is one of those that we spent a long time debating. Should it be a map? Should it be a table? Should it be a database? And one of the fastest ways to answer that question is to just make a map real quick and say, can you tell a story out of this? Does this actually tell the story we want to tell? And looking at this, I would actually say, no, this is probably not, the map is not the interesting thing about this or the important thing about this, except in the degree of you need to know where a particular place is. And so when I look at this, what I see is that there's just a whole distribution of places that are good and bad. I made purple good and orange bad. But I was able to make this in about 20 minutes, most of which was just futzing with colors. So that was cool. I did not have this tool available at the time, but I have my own stack that I've mostly been using to quickly sketch out maps. But this is one of the things that has come up a lot in talking to reporters is, if you have a data set that is geographic, can you just very quickly see what does it look like? Could we map this? Could we, if we do map it, what story does it tell?